Have you ever wondered if your money is safe in the bank? Ever heard of CDIC insurance? Today, we're going to dive deep into one specific bank, Koho, and answer the burning question, is Koho Bank CDIC insured? Imagine you've just saved up a significant amount of money. You deposit it into what you believe is a safe and reliable bank, only to find out that your funds are at risk. It's a nightmare scenario, right? But fear not, because today, we're going to shed light on this important topic and help you make informed financial decisions. Before we get into the specifics of Koho Bank, let's understand what CDIC insurance is and why it matters. CDIC stands for the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation. It's a government agency that protects deposits in Canadian banks and credit unions. Basically, if a bank fails, CDIC steps in to ensure that your money is safe up to a certain limit. So, why is CDIC insurance so important? Well, imagine a bank experiencing financial difficulties and going under. Without CDIC, depositors would lose their hard-earned money. But with CDIC, you can rest assured that your funds are protected. Is Koho Bank CDIC insured? No, Koho Bank is not CDIC insured. Before you panic, let's understand why. Koho is actually a fintech company that partners with a CDIC-insured bank to provide its banking services. This means that your funds are technically held at the partner bank, which is CDIC protected. However, Koho itself is not directly insured by CDIC. So, what does this mean for you as a Koho customer? While your money is ultimately safeguarded by CDIC through the partner bank, there are a few things to consider. Firstly, if Koho were to encounter serious financial problems, it's possible that the partnership with the CDIC-insured bank could be terminated. In such a scenario, your funds might need to be transferred to another bank, which could potentially involve some inconvenience. Secondly, while CDIC protects deposits up to a certain limit, the exact coverage may vary depending on the specific circumstances and the type of account you have. It's always a good idea to review the terms and conditions of your Koho account to understand the exact level of protection you're entitled to. Despite these factors, it's important to note that Koho is a reputable fintech company with a strong track record. They have implemented various measures to safeguard your funds, including advanced security technologies and regulatory compliance. While CDIC insurance is a crucial factor to consider when choosing a bank, it's not the only thing to take into account. Other factors to consider include the bank's reputation, customer service, fees, and the range of products and services offered. If you're concerned about the level of protection offered by Koho, you may want to explore other banking options that are directly CDIC insured. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of each option carefully to find the best fit for your needs. So, to summarize, Koho Bank is not directly CDIC insured, but your funds are protected through its partnership with a CDIC insured bank. While this arrangement provides a certain level of security, it's essential to understand the potential risks and limitations. Ultimately, the decision of whether to bank with Koho or another financial institution is a personal one. It's important to do your research, consider your individual needs, and choose a bank that you feel comfortable and confident with. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.